In this video, we're going to show you how to install the grille on your Toyota Camry located on the front side of your vehicle. With the hood open, you want to go ahead and locate the two 10mm bolts securing the grille. There's one here, one on the passenger side. Just go ahead and loosen and remove these. Lift up on that grille, slide that out. There are little tabs on the bottom here that actually lock into the headlight mounting trim there. Now normally you would have your Toyota emblem right here. On the back side you would have three little Phillips head screws. You want to go ahead and loosen and remove those and remove your Toyota emblem. Now on your new grille assembly, you want to go ahead and put your emblem on the front here. Install the screws on the back side to secure that. Now ours was missing, so we don't have an emblem to install. On the bottom side, there's going to be a tab here that fits into the headlight mounting bracket. So that's going to be on the driver's side as well as the passenger side. So place the grille. Get those tabs in place here. Install the screws on the top. You simply want to gently snug that down. You don't want to make it super tight. You can do the same on the driver's side here. Now I'm using a hand tool on this here. It's not good to use a power tool, as if you over tighten this here, it'll snap that grille and you'll have to replace it again. Gently snug it down. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.